boat, I see our future.
It's a 50-year-old catch and it needs work.
I thought this was something we could finally make ours. Something that could take us to a better place.
Yeah!
Mary has an imaginary friend now. I hear her talking to her all night. Don't play with scary Mary.
Mary! Mary, something's very, very wrong here. I'm seeing things that I can't explain. Every time this ship went out onto open water, people disappeared.
The thing about boats is there's nowhere to run.
Dad! We should turn back.
We're too far to turn back.
You think you can erase the past?
I don't want to hear any more about curses.
Oh my God.
You thought you could bring your family to the sea. You and everything you love.
No! Quincy!
It all belongs to her now.
Mary, come on. Mary!